TankU Fueling app, automatic identification, fast and secure one-click fueling for fleets and trucks. I would like to demonstrate how it works at a network of stations that is already providing the service across the country. TankU's unique technology uses the gas station's existing security cameras and the driver's smartphone for automatic identification of the driver, the vehicle, and the specific pump next to it. There is no need to select a pump or enter a license plate number for fueling. No device installed on the vehicle or the pump. Hygienic fueling, no touch, no card, no terminal. It is also possible to set fueling limits. Top security. The system is monitoring the entire fueling and payment process, alerting and documents exceptions. Supporting multiple drivers and multiple vehicles. The driver can use several vehicles on his app, and the vehicle can be used by several different apps of different authorized drivers. Fueling authorization is immediate and uses the vehicle's specific fuel type. Optionally, you can get secure VIP full service by the station attendant. After fueling, it is possible to see the details on the app. Optionally, the fleet manager may condition the fueling and prompt the driver to key in the actual odometer. The fleet manager can set a parameter, either every fueling or every predefined number of fuelings. Our system uses reasonability checks for a valid odometer entry. The system identifies exceptions and fraud, such as the car moving before closing the transaction. This is how the event looks from our control room. Alerts are sent to the fleet manager if the system identifies suspected events, such as another car parking next to the truck or pump and not fueling. It means that this car may attempt to fuel on the truck's account. TankU's remote tools reduce operating costs and increase user experience. It leverages on our vision-based technology to identify fueling issues, drivers who need assistance, and station events that need attention. Our technology at your service.